So, Highway Encounters is something that we do every month. We have a guest or a panel of guests who engage with an audience. We talk about very interesting topics, and today's topic is the film that's going to be released on the 10th of May. The film is called Srikanth, and this film is special because it is the biopic of Srikanth Bola, who is an industrialist in his own right. He runs a packaging industry in Hyderabad. He is educated at MIT in the US, and he's come back and he set up this company. And this is a biopic about him. He happens to be totally blind. So that's the first special part of it. And the second special part is this film is going to be shown across the country. And for the first time, or this is not really known, but there is audio description. And audio description is a very emerging feature in films in India. Those of you who see Netflix and Prime, Amazon Prime probably are familiar with this. But most people who go to the mainstream cinema may not be necessarily familiar with the idea of audio description. So, if you go to watch this film, Srikanth, in the theater, you would be using Excel Cinema, which is an app, to actually get the audio description feature. So we have Deepti Sharma, Deepti Prasad, who is the founder of, or who's the person who's developed the app. And she's also responsible for working on the audio description of the film Srikanth. So today's agenda is we will first hear from Deepti Sharma. She will tell us what audio description is. She will talk about the app, how to use the app, and then she will also do a demo of how this audio description actually works. And Deepti will be followed by, I will invite Charles Rao, who is a totally blind gentleman who has the privilege of acting in this film as one of the 40 odd blind actors who've acted in this film. So he will be sharing his experience. And finally, we will have the director of the film, Mr. Tushar Hiranandani, who would be joining us shortly. And he will be talking about the film as well. So Deepti, do tell us what ये audio description क्या है? You could tell us about it. You could also talk to us about Excel Cinema, and you can talk a little bit about this film itself, how your experience has been, and what the audience can experience. So Deepti, over to you.
Thank you so much, George, sir. So hi, everyone. Wow, this is a house full today. And it's an honor and pleasure meeting all of you, talking to all of you. Couple of you know me already. I've been making Indian cinema accessible for persons with visual disabilities since 2018. Sanju was the first movie back in 2018, which we hosted on Excel Cinema app. Excel Cinema app is a free to use, free to download application where only audio description is available for persons with visual impairment. And they could be seated between the sighteds in any regular cinema hall. There's no hardware changes required to be made. The user carries their smartphone, the user carries their personal headphones or earphones or AirPods and walks into the theater just like any sighted person would, buy the theater ticket and enjoy the movie in an accessible format, because my solution, Excel Cinema, is non-intrusive. It is reasonable accommodation from the production houses, because the production houses need to spend a little bit of extra money and create the audio description track. Now, some of you may not understand what audio description is. So audio description is like how there's commentary in the cricket when we are watching the game of cricket. Similarly, we prepare this additional commentary which describes the visuals of the cinema or the video content. So all the visual elements are provided to you in your earphones privately through an audio format in between of the dialogues of the movie. So the dialogues of the movie and the audio description track will never overlap. The user can really enjoy the experience, and some of our users have been enjoying this experience since last 6 years. And I'm so happy to have provided the same service to T-Series for their upcoming movie Shrikant. Let's quickly start by a quick, not just demo, but also the audio descriptive trailer of Shrikant. So I'm about to share my screen. Sana, just help me if there's a technical error, the audio and the visual is not audible.
Yeah, sure.
Yep.
It's audible.
लीड इंडिया 2020 द सेकंड नेशनल यूथ मूवमेंट में
हेलो सर, मैं बायोलॉजी पढ़ना चाहती हूँ और लाइफ साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू। हेलो सर, आई वांट टू बी एन आईएएस ऑफिसर। थैंक यू।
Right. Hello, sir. I want to be a space research scientist and to be the first man on Mars. Thank you, sir.
हेलो सर। सर मैं देश का पहला विजुअली चैलेंज प्रेसिडेंट बनना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
प्रेसिडेंट एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम जी।
व्हाट इज योर नेम यंग मैन? सर माय नेम इज श्रीकांत बोला।
एक गांव जहां दो बच्चे लड़ रहे हैं और कई बच्चे तमाशबीन हैं।
हाँ तो भाग जाता ना वहाँ से।
कहाँ भागता नाना, मैं भाग नहीं सकता, सिर्फ लड़ सकता हूँ।
लोगों ने कहा श्रीकांत हो, रजनीकांत नहीं, मुंह के बल गिरोगे। उसने कहा
लोग तालियां बजा रहे हैं। टीचर ताली बजा रही है।
12th स्टैंडर्ड में श्री को 98% आए।
श्री ब्रेल टाइपराइटर से टाइप कर एग्जाम दे रहा है।
श्री का एडमिशन भी आर्ट्स में ही हुआ है, मान नहीं रहे कॉलेज वाले।
पर क्यों?
विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम में साइंस का ऑप्शन ही नहीं है।
मैं पढ़ूंगा तो साइंस ही पढ़ूंगा, चाहे जो हो जाए।
इसीलिए केस करना।
किस पर?
इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम पर।
हाई कोर्ट का दृश्य।
सर श्रीकांत, आपने न्यूटन के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा।
तो न्यूटन ने ग्रेविटी जरूर डिस्कवर की थी, पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उससे पहले किसी ने एप्पल को गिरते हुए नहीं देखा होगा। पर किसी ने ग्रेविटी के बारे में नहीं सोचा सर, उसके लिए आंखें नहीं चाहिए।
श्री ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट खेलता है।
tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Sec square.
इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के सामने।
इंडिया के किसी भी कॉलेज ने जिसे पैसे भरकर भी एडमिशन नहीं दिया, उसे दुनिया के टॉप 4 यूनिवर्सिटीज ने स्कॉलरशिप देके बुलाया है।
स्वाति मैगजीन के कवर पे श्रीकांत की तस्वीर देख मुस्कुराती है।
तुम सच में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग आदमी हो श्रीकांत। तुम्हारे कोर्ट केस, क्रिकेट, MIT सबके बारे में पता है मुझे।
Sir, visually impaired person cannot travel alone in the flight.
आप समझ नहीं रहे, मेरा जाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मेरा MIT में एडमिशन हुआ है।
I cannot let you fly alone.
Sir, I need you, of course. I need your help. Excuse me, please help me. Sir, आप प्लीज इनको बोल दीजिए आप मेरे साथ हैं। मेरा एडमिशन नहीं होगा वरना। Someone please help me.
अकेला पड़ा श्रीकांत।
लोगों को तो लगता है कि ये ट्रेन में गाना गाने के लिए ही बने।
तो भीख नहीं मांगनी है टीचर, मुझे पढ़ना है टीचर। डिसेबल लोगों के लिए जॉब्स क्रिएट करेंगे।
और जॉब क्रिएट कैसे होंगे?
आपको पता है एक विजनरी आदमी ने ऑलरेडी मेरे स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्ट कर दिया। कौन? डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम।
श्रीकांत 25 लाख का चेक दिखाता है। वोलांट इंडस्ट्री का दरवाजा खुलता है। कई नेत्रहीन काम करने अंदर जाते हैं। वहां कचरे को रिसाइकिल कर पेपर बनाया जा रहा है।
आपने अपने दिमाग में हमारे लिए अलग ही कहानी बना रखी है। बेचारा कितना बुरा हुआ इसके साथ। कुछ बुरा नहीं हुआ है हमारे साथ, और बेचारे तो हम बिल्कुल भी नहीं। आप हमारे चक्कर में मत फंसना, आपको बेच के कहाँ जाएंगे हम।
श्रीकांत आ रहा है, सबकी आंखें खुलने। इन सिनेमा 10th में।
मदद करो।
पैसे दे रहे हो? मुझे दो।
रवि श्रीकांत के हाथ में पैसे देता है।
इसे हम जॉब देंगे।
Gulshan Kumar and T-Series presents a T-Series Films and Chalk and Cheese Film Production. Shrikant, directed by Tushar Hiranandani, produced by Bhushan Kumar, Krishan Kumar and Nidhi Parmar Hiranandani. देखें 10 मई से अपने नजदीकी सिनेमा घरों में ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ एक्सेल सिनेमा ऐप पर।
I hope everybody enjoyed the trailer as much as I have been enjoying since the day the regular trailer for Sighted was launched on YouTube by T-Series. So I think I'll hand over now the space to Charles because I
Yeah.
have so many questions and I'm super excited to know his experience as a visually impaired who's given opportunity to work in a movie And along with him, there are so many other members from the community who have been given this opportunity to showcase their talent for mainstream cinema.
So Charles, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I am
Yeah.
audible.
Yeah, you are audible. So Charles, we would like to, you tell us a little bit about yourself, and
Mhm.
then how you actually got onto this project, and did you act before, and did you get any training before you actually get into this role? And tell us a little bit about your role and your overall experience, a little bit about the film itself.
Okay. So first of all, good evening to each and every members and Diti ma'am and George sir. I'd like to thank and say a very great thanks to George for inviting me for this special interview today. And very next, our director will be also here. I'm audible?
Yes, Charles, you are audible.
Yeah. So myself, Charles, I stay in Mira Road, Mumbai. And this is the first film which I'm working. But before this, I've done one ad which was internationally played on Sports Channel, Burial Behind the Boundaries, with Shane Warne. This ad was come up in before COVID, and due to COVID, it was published on channels, all international platforms as well Indian. But like as I say, the IPL was not held. Otherwise, it had come in IPL's advertise also. And secondly, before that, my career started with first photo shoot with Mr. Hrithik Roshan. And I never thought, okay, I'll get such opportunities. And I should never stop saying thank you to Mr. Mayank Shekhar from MNB Home for the Blind, the CEO, who thought of me and brought me closer to him, and we started up with this journey. The thought was, as I faced a lot of difficulties in my visually challenged life, and I wanted to get connected with more people to understand. I became more visually challenged in 2017. Before that, I was into normal field. I was working as an HR in Bharati Airtel for last 17 years. So I never thought that there is a visually challenged field as well, cricket. And I must say thank you once more again to George sir for creating cricket for visually challenged in Mumbai. And that we are still running today as Blind Sports Association. And more of people are enrolled into sports, boys and girls. And presently, I'm working with National Association for the Blind India for FRC fundraising committee for betterment of our visually challenge and creating opportunities. So coming closer to Mayank, we thought of why don't we enter in this glamour world? We have such beautiful faces, such handsome boys in our group. So thought came up. Mayank took us to Tushar sir. Tushar sir heard about Srikanth story, and then we came up with a thought. Let's see how can we work. The challenges were to collect multiple people, like other handicaps are also been there in this movie, and our visually challenge. So segregating their ages, child, youth, and elderly to work in the factory. So myself and Mayank took this opportunity. We created WhatsApp group. We filter out some good boys who can really act and who have thoughts of working into film industries. And we had approached Tushar sir for giving opportunity for women and girls as well. But in this movie, that need was not that much. But definitely, we are doing our best to create more opportunities. Before coming to this movie, we have created more of platform for advertisements. So one or two of our visually challenged, Mr. Sachin Andurlekar, he is 6 feet high, good personality, RP in by case of eyes, and he got an opportunity to work in advertisements. That a visually challenge can also be a part of model. Secondly, two little children with Jitu Raj, the
YouTube.
FM wala.
YouTube.
So with him, he got an opportunity to work with that 2-3 children, and that advertise also was uploaded on YouTube channels and well read. The children received 2 lakh rupees check each family. So that was a very good, and our mission was getting completed. And slowly and steadily, we have some more things in lineup with other communities. So working for betterment of our challenged children. Now coming back to the movie, movie itself says that when we went to this movie, first shoot was in Pune. As we started, it was a winter season. We had taken 25 youth from Bombay to Pune. We had a nice journey. Everything was well arranged by Tushar sir, their organization, that Chalks and Cheeks, I think so. I'm sorry, I'm
Chalk
not
and Cheese.
pronouncing it properly.
Chalk and cheese. Huh.
Yeah. So they took us to the venue. It was in, I can say, 3-star restaurant hotel for us to stay. And every room, there were only 2 visually challenged staying. It was not like dumping us in the, kind of such a small place and a lot of people. Comfort zone was taken care about us. And after reaching there, when we had to go for the shoot, we never thought in our life that what we see on the theaters on the screen, we easily judge them. So our judgment was changed on that day, because early morning 4 o'clock we has to get up, 5:30 on the set, and before us, directors, producers, everybody are present, and all setup was ready, the logistic team, and we has to eat a king breakfast, I must say. Multiple options. Children were happy.
Yeah,
The shoot has to start.
Charles, can I just interrupt you here?
Yes.
I'll just ask you a few quick questions. One
Okay.
is, how many of you were visually impaired who were part of this film?
Sir, we were divided into different parts, but approximately I can say around about 45 to 50.
Now, most of you may not have had experience of acting. So how were you initiated into this whole business of acting? Because talking face to face is very different from what you do in front of the camera. So
Yeah.
how were you initiated into it?
So they had asked us for some of our, what do you call that?
Casting.
Casting, yeah. Casting was been taken. They had sent us some dialogues,
Yeah.
and we had to say that and record our audio, and we had created one WhatsApp group, and then we were filtering them and sending to the team, and
Yeah.
they has to see the face, the impressions and all, and then they said filter these people and get them.
So, Charles, what was your role in this film? What exactly did you, what was your role? Yeah.
I'm working into 3 parts, sir. First is getting people connected. Second is maintaining the discipline of the group. Third was looking into accounts that each and every child what was committed gets it in his own account.
No,
Fourth was,
Charles, what sir is trying to ask
yeah,
you
I
is
know you. I'm coming back to that
Okay,
point.
okay.
So my role is, I was not knowing that what was my role, frankly speaking. And I was briefing Rajkumar sir for every shot. Tushar sir has to call me on the set. Charles, now we are going to do this role. So please judge how it happens. How is it into cricket? So I has to show him batting. So he said, okay, you play. Then I played up, and I was just correcting my cap on my head. He said, no, let it be how it is. The shoot is on. I never knew that he is taking my shot. It was like a real shot. So that is one. Before before Rajkumar sir, I'm playing, and the scene which the sighted people can see, the ball hitting the stump, the voice is coming. Unfortunately, there I am getting out. So that was a surprise to me, where I'm always trying to make Tushar sir understand ye kya kar diya aapne. And after
So-
that, I'm walking with Rajkumar sir on the ground with all the child, how we walk in discipline, no, visually challenge walk, like 1-to-1 catching each other. And third scene where he's picked up, now the song coming up, Papa Kehte Hai, in that Rajkumar has been picked up. So I was that who runs and picks him up, and I coach him. I am the coach in Mumbai in the group, in the film.
So you played the role of the cricket coach.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Not the BCCI coach. There are 2 coaches. I'd like
Yeah.
to clear it right now. There is one coach who says that you all are selected and come up here in the nationals.
Yeah.
And I am the coach on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you were the asli coach.
In physical life, I am the real coach, but there I am shown as a technical coach.
Yeah.
So correct me if I'm wrong here.
Yeah.
Charles, you are the casting agency for
Myself?
TCB? Yes.
I cannot say that casting agency.
But you were the one who's identifying the talent in the community, basically
Yes, yes,
visually
yes.
impaired,
Yeah.
and filtering them, and then
Myself and Mr. Mayank Shekhar.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I might interrupt here. Now we also have Mr. Tushar
Tally, my
Hiranandani with us.
Oh my God, tally honi chahiye.
Tally, my friend. How are you?
Good evening, sir.
So,
You did. So Charlie did everything. We made
Yes,
it
sir.
possible for us. No, I'm honestly saying he made it possible for us to shoot. We had one of the best days of shoot when we shot with these boys play cricket. It was nice. It was nice, cold summer.
so Tushar, let me ask you the first question as to what made you actually take up this project?
Hello, I can't hear you.
Yeah, what made you actually take up this project? Hello? Yeah, we can hear you. Hello? Hello?
Tushar sir, maybe try. Oh, you are on mute, sir. So your voice is on mute.
He has always a surprise entry. Huh?
Yes. Now you're unmuted.
Is he unmuted or is still on mute?
He's unmuted. Tushar sir, can you try your mic now?
Hello?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
No, that's me. You're hearing me, not Tushar.
Now I can hear you.
Yeah, okay. So Tushar, the first, we'd like to know what prompted you to take up this project, because this is an unusual project. It's a potentially a game changer. So what inspired you, and how did you get on to actually thinking of this?
For me, it is not unusual. For me, it is very usual. For the world, it may be, but I know what this is. Because
Right.
my father runs this talent contest for the physically disabled children since last 47 years. And
Okay.
I know that they have, in fact, I always, as a kid, I used to go, and after one point, I stopped going because I realized that they can do much more than me. And I felt like a useless fellow over there because they
Right.
had more talent than me and they could perform better than me. And then after one point, my father made me a judge, and that became even worse. A judge who can't do as good as what the participants are doing. How can he judge them? So it's not unusual. I know the kind of talent they have, and of course, when I met Srikanth and the kind of success he has had, it's not like I was shocked by it, but I was inspired by it, and that's why I wanted to show the world that these are people who you need to not show pity on, but take them in the society as the same way that you take a normal person. And that's what it is for me, that I wanted to make this.
So how did you actually go about doing this? Because this is not like shooting a regular film. It's meaning there are a lot of
It
elements.
is shooting a very regular film, sir. This we make it regular. Again, I'm saying.
Yeah.
The people I shot with are very regular. We make them irregular. We give them this thing which is called disability and visually impaired and these kind of names. They don't need that. They are much better. They are better than regular actors. If you see, I've casted all the visually impaired children who acted so well. May it be Charles. No one can play better cricket than Charles. So so they're like, for me, they are champions. For me, they are not. It's not irregular. Or I've done something. I've not done this to show the world. I wanted to make a good film. I wanted to enjoy while making this film, because this is the kind of movies that me and my wife Nidhi in Chalk and Cheese want to make it, and that's why we did this.
So
सर
would you like to
इसीलिए
share
वो
some?
डायलॉग
Would
इसीलिए
you like
सर ने वो डायलॉग डाला है,
हाँ.
तुम हमको बेचारा मत समझना, तुमको बेच खा जाएंगे हम.
So are there any interesting experiences while making the film that you'd like to share with the group?
Every day was interesting. Every day was special. Every day we had tears of joy. Every day we have spent so much. Matlab, everyone who has worked on this film will tell you that I'm sure Charles might have told you how they have enjoyed while they have come to shoot, because We never thought anyone is big or small. We just wanted everyone to have fun at a shoot. You can ask Charles how much fun we had and how much fun it was to work with me. Charles, it was good fun to work with me, you know.
Yes, 99.99.99.9999%.
Oh, why is that 1% is not there then?
इन्होंने बोलने नहीं दिया सर अभी तक. Just start where आप आ गए.
Okay.
So Charles, let me
Yes.
ask you, are there any memorable experiences that
yes,
you
yes.
had
Lot
while
of-
making
lot of-
this? Yeah,
lot of
yeah.
things.
Maybe
So-
start with one. Yeah.
One was when I was in Hyderabad. हम पहले पूना गए थे, ठंडी सोचकर सब कपड़े लेकर गए और वहाँ पे ठंडी नहीं थी. I'll do in Hindi. It's okay?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
फिर हम पूना से हैदराबाद गए, ये सोचकर हैदराबाद एक हॉट सीजन होगा. वहां गए तो इतनी ठंडी थी और हमने विंटर के कोई कपड़े नहीं लिए थे. और सुबह जैसे 7 बजे 6 बजे हम सेट पे पहुंच जाते थे. हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट विच आई अप्रिशिएट ऑल द टाइम. आफ्टर दैट हम धूप सेक रहे थे, मैं और मेरे साथ एक मेरा वॉलंटियर था, और तुषार सर, राजकुमार सर एंड वन मोर गाय विद देम, आई एम नॉट रिमेम्बरिंग हिज नेम. दे ऑल वर वॉकिंग ऑन द शॉट सेट, आई मीन से. और सेट पे जाते जाते वो फ्रेंड ने बोला, वो देख राजकुमार सर और तुषार सर जा रहे हैं. वो जा बहुत दूर से रहे थे, बट उन्होंने मुझे देखा एंड दे केम टू अस. दे स्टूड विद अस, दे स्पोक विद अस एंड गिविंग अ मेमोरियल टाइम, लाइक रुकी कैसे चल रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. देन हमने भी कुछ बातें की. तो दिस ऑल शोज द इंसानियत जो होती है ना, वो कूट कर तुषार सर में भरी है, तभी वो 6.5 फुट के हैं.
अरे
I
नहीं
must
हूँ मैं
say.
6 फुट का, 6
मेरे
फुट
लिए
का
तो
हूँ.
सर मेरे
No,
लिए
but
तो-
you
But,
must know.
George sir,
You must know that Charles is a holy man. For me, one of the most memorable days was when we shot with them and we finished with them in Pune. I think we shot 3 or 4 or 5 days with Yolland, right,
Yes,
Charles, in Pune?
Yes.
So on the last day, Charles came and spoke with all the children who had come from Bombay and other children, and they got around me and he spoke. And it's so beautiful that what he spoke. And it was one of the best things. He blessed the film, blessed everybody. And I think his blessings, because we started with Pune as the first schedule, his blessings
sir.
helped us in the entire film and it's still helping us today.
Yes, sir. If you can visualize, I'm still sitting under my Lord. If you can see in the
So-
background,
Yes.
I don't know.
So where all have you shot? You shot in Hyderabad, you shot in Mumbai.
I shot in a village outside Mumbai. I forgot the name now. I'm too exhausted and I'm still running back to work.
Malwani.
Somewhere ahead of much ahead of Mumbai. Then I shot in Pune. Then I shot in Mumbai. I shot in Aurangabad. I shot in Hyderabad. Then I shot in South Africa. Yeah, these are the kind of places I shot.
And what is the kind of research? What is the kind of research you did before you got down to this?
Sir, for me, research was, like I said, it's engraved in me, George. Since 42 years, 45 years, I've seen them, right? So it's somewhere, it's just inside my system. So to be honest, Raj did a lot of research because he went and met, I already knew about them, about everyone. And Raj played cricket. Even I was there when he was there. So we just observed. Like I said, I casted everyone who is visually impaired in the film is visually impaired. So then it was just natural. I didn't have to do any, research, because how can I? But it was there. I didn't have to do anything. I just smartly casted them and rightly casted them, and it was there what it was.
George sir, I would like to add something here.
Yeah.
Tushar sir, I have worked with so many studios and production houses. I never knew anything about visually impaired, or the terminology visually impaired also did not exist for me till 2018, until I started hosting movies in an accessible format on my platforms. But every time I have discussed visually impaired or persons with disability, suddenly, सामने वाले की शक्ल में एक seriousness आ जाती है. It's like it's engraved in a mainstream or a sighted person कि आप अगर persons with disability के बारे में बात कर रहे हो तो आपको एकदम serious face, sympathy दिखानी है, empathy दिखानी है. But then on the other hand, when I am in touch with the visually impaired, where I'm trying to, inform them that there is a platform like this which you can use and it is created for your benefit, and आप use कीजिए, audio description सुनिए, audio description क्या होता है, इसका knowledge उनको दिया. I realize some of them are so much fun. So, now, like all these years, 6 years hanging out with them, some of them are very good friends. And
Not some, like I want to correct you, all of them. All of them are fine.
मेरे को
It's not
बहुत
some.
डांट
I'm
पड़ती है
very
सर,
sorry.
मैं बहुत डांट खाती हूँ कि ये पिक्चर एक्सेसिबल क्यों नहीं है, वो पिक्चर एक्सेसिबल नहीं है, उनको लगता है मेरी गलती है इसमें।
वो है आपकी गलती. You're not doing your marketing well.
So,
तो आप उसको ले लो, चार्ल्स को ले लो, फटाफट करके देगा. चार्ल्स जॉइन अस.
यस सर, बोल दिया है,
हाँ.
मैडम को बोल दिया है.
Correct.
हाँ.
so तुषार, ये आपने पहली बार श्रीकांत से कब मिला है? Can you tell us? Can you describe us your
आज
first?
तो हिंदी में बात कर, बहुत क्यूट लगता है. हाँ,
हाँ,
फिर
तो
मैं ही
पह-
बात करेगा पूरा इंटरव्यू. दादा वादा लीड द इंटरव्यू.
Okay, पहली
He
बार
has international followers.
So
हाँ.
पहली बात आप बताइए, ये श्रीकांत के साथ मुलाकात आपका पहली बार कब हुआ?
मेरा पहली बार, I met him first time in Hyderabad. I was chasing him for a long time, but
हाँ.
he's a slimy snail. I would sneak. He's a slimy snake. He
Okay,
doesn't come in hand of anybody because he works very hard.
right.
I tried to catch him. He couldn't. He didn't come in my hands. Then I had to use Ravi Manta, his partner, to help me to get hold of him. But by the time, because then when I met him, I was very angry that he was not meeting. But I spent 3 days with him. Not 1 minute did I see this man not working. Every minute he was just working. And he didn't care that I've come to make a movie on him. And he was just working. But then he told me later he had given the rights away. But somehow in my luck, he gave the rights to me then at the end. And I made the
Right. Yeah, so shall we just open the floor so that there'll be, I'm sure
Sure.
there are a lot of people who would want to ask you questions, ask all three
Sure.
of you questions. So, Sana, can you just kind of navigate through the questions?
Yes, sure. So there's Rajni Ramanujanam. She has one question.
Yeah, you have to read it out.
Yeah, being deaf person, we are in our deaf society have been trying to reach out media industry to help in enabling the subtitles for all movies in theater, YouTube and other channels. Did not succeed in reaching the right person. Would you be able to help in this?
We,
For
in
the
fact,
deaf
Shrikant is trying to release the movie for all in this format also. At the moment, as we talk, we're already talking to someone to release the film to everybody so that everybody can see it simultaneously.
Okay, any other question? Ranjani
No.
Ramanujam is hearing impaired and she's based out of Bangalore.
Oh, nice. Hello, ma'am. She can see me,
Yeah,
right?
her another.
Yeah. Yeah, she can see
Yeah,
you. And
can-
she also happens to be a national badminton champion in the 1990s. You know, among the deaf, in the deaf sports.
Oh,
Also, another question from her is it big challenge to enable subtitles at movies?
Yes, it is. Because not everyone does it. So it is a challenge and it's also a cost. So we as an industry are very cost driven. So like everybody else. So that's what it is. So it has a cost for sure.
So while somebody is asking a question, let me ask, would you think with things like audio description that, you know, there are 63 odd million people in India who are blind, of which there would be a significant population
Yeah.
who actually can afford and actually would like to go to movies. So do you think industry could be persuaded to see visually impaired people as a potential market also?
That's my aim. That's what the movie is all about. To give a chance to these people so that they can
Yes.
live a dignified life.
Right, because whether it is a movie or whether it's a cricket match,
Yes.
the television coverage of even cricket matches are not accessible to people with visual impairment because the commentators are not describing the sport; they are just giving comments from time to time. So
Yes.
a lot of us who are cricket lovers, you know, are kind of now that All India Radio has more or less stopped doing coverage.
Yeah.
We don't really have the opportunity of following sport the way it used to be.
But on that
that
note,
is-
George sir, I would like to add that as No Barrier Foundation, we have started an initiative where we are collecting the proof that how many visually impaired have gone to theaters to watch the movie Shrikant, and we are attempting for an international book of world records. And I'm
Excellent.
sure I will come out with flying numbers, and it will be a very impressive number for the production houses, for the future projects, that they will start looking at this number and realize that how much business they might end up losing if they don't spend money on making the content accessible to persons with vision disability and hearing disability. So Tushar sir, please come forward and support the initiative.
I am already, aren't we doing it? We are, right?
You should
Yes, yes.
publicize
मैं
now. I
बताता
need
हूँ.
help with publicity.
I
Yeah.
already said we are doing it, and that's why we had you on the promo day and we launched the promo in that way. Not that
Okay.
we did
Audio
that.
description, but I'm talking about the attempting the world record.
I have no
Yes.
idea what is world record. I'm hearing it for the first time. For
Yes.
me, records don't matter. For me, it matters is the initiative that you take and you do it honestly. Records is just a number. It's your intention and your initiative that you take. So that's what matters to me. Records, like I said, again, is just a number. Oh, congratulations to you, ma'am, for the record. And for the rest of the people, if it helps. For me, it's just that everyone needs to take the initiative, not just because if it's a record. That's it.
No,
No,
sir. I think there is a communication error here. The record that we are trying to attempt is how many persons with visual impairment walk into the theater to enjoy the movie.
Exactly.
It's a
I'm again saying
motivation
I understood what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. I am saying that that's why I'm saying today I'm taking it as a cost. Next time I'm sure they won't take it as a cost, and it will be done
Yes.
because the government has already taken the initiative of including. They have announced it, and I think they have. That's what Shrikant. We also said that we are with the government to get this ahead.
Yeah,
So I'd like to add something.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
सर
Go
गुड
ahead.
इवनिंग. तो तुषार सर ने बहुत अचीवमेंट्स किए इस पिक्चर में, और एक अचीवमेंट ये है कि उन्होंने बच्चों को अनफिट से फिट कर दिया है. वो ऐसे कि शूट के दौरान हम ग्राउंड पर थे और सबको एक एक रोल दिया गया था एक्सरसाइज का. तो हमारे ग्रुप में एक वेंकटेश नाम का लड़का था, उसको हाथ रोल करते खड़ा होना था. वो 6 घंटे तक हाथ रोल कर रहा था. एंड माई सेल्फ, मेरी वेस्ट है ना 34 से 30 हो गई, क्योंकि मुझे कम से कम 500-600 बार बॉल को नीचे रोल करना था जमीन पे बैकग्राउंड में.
Was making me sound like some jailer now, like a bloody cynic. Thank you, Charles. Thank you.
Sir, I love you. आपने हमें फिट किया है
Practice makes a
सर.
man perfect, Charles.
Sorry,
Now,
ma'am.
no, but I
Practice
think
makes a man perfect.
Yeah, he's the coach. Tushar sir is our coach.
No, I
Acha,
heard
sir.
your entire thing. There were only 2 coaches, one Charles and one BCCI coach. So I was the coach. I heard your entire thing. Don't worry now.
नहीं सर, मेरी और एक ख्वाहिश है आपसे on the channel is that why don't you come up with laughter channel for visually impaired and all disability. Sir, ये भी काम
Exactly.
करेगा.
This is what is required. This is the new idea. You know,
Yes,
rather than we all cribbing and saying this is not done and that is not done, we need to put ourselves, everybody in any perspective of their lives have to stand up for themselves. If you don't stand up for yourself, you can't expect people to stand up for you first of all.
यस सर. तो सर यहाँ पर हमारे कुछ
that's
लोग भी
good.
जुड़े हैं. जॉर्ज सर,
Yeah.
हमारे कुछ मेरे भी कुछ चाहते जुड़े हैं यहाँ पर. सो एज मैंने इन शॉर्ट बताया था कि आई रन एन मार्केट चैनल, शेयर मार्केट नॉलेज, टोटली फ्री फॉर विजुअली चैलेंज. तो हम सब करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो आपने ऑडियो में किसी से सवाल पूछे, बिकॉज विजुअली चैलेंज कैन नॉट टाइप ऑल द टाइम.
Yeah. So, no, the floor is open for people to ask questions.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, myself Satish Kumar. Just 2 words. Sir, very congratulations to sir for taking this kind of a great movie. I've been very happy to see these kind of movies. Wherein earlier I've been seeing the movies of Thora. As a wheelchair user, one movie has come few years back, and recently one other movie, Jai Ganesh, has come. And in adding to that, your movie is also doing wonderful job. To be frank, still I have not watched the movie, but I have heard all the.
The movie is not come out. The movie will come out on 10th May.
Okay.
What
sorry,
luck
sir,
you have
sorry.
not watched it. If you had watched it, then I would have arrested you with piracy.
Sorry, sir. No, I have been heard about Srikanth Bola, who has been done a great
सर ये क्रेज
achievement.
है.
And I really didn't search about the movie because I didn't know when it was released and all. But very big congratulations. I, being a wheelchair user, I've been affected by cerebral palsy. and I have a YouTube channel in the name of Satish on Wheels, wherein I try to create more and more videos, and I've been very eager to create more content about it, accessible and other things also. And once again, a big congratulations to you, wherein I and my some of my people or friends who have done acting course and dubbing courses in Chennai. So through Film and Television Institute of Pune.
Oh, nice.
through
Very
that,
good.
so through that, we are very happy to see this film very soon. Hope you will also give more opportunities, more and more people. We are looking for it. We have a great number of people in Chennai also
Thanks,
who
sir.
have experience
Yeah.
in it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello,
Thank you,
Tushar.
Satish.
Namaskar.
Hello,
Ah,
Thank
Tushar.
you,
Sir.
sir.
Namaskar.
Hello, sir. This
Namaskar.
is Mukhi from
जी
JNU.
नमस्कार.
one by one, one by one.
नमस्कार नमस्कार मेरी आवाज आ
देखो
रही है
जी।
क्या?
हाँ, आ
हाँ
रही
जी
है।
जी बहुत क्लियरली.
हाँ
अपना
जी,
नाम
तुषार
बताइए आप
सर,
सभी।
मेरा नाम धवल त्रिवेदी है और चार्ल्स राव मेरा क्रिकेट फ्रेंड और उसको मैं बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ. तो हाँ, नमस्कार. तुषार सर से मेरा एक सवाल है, मतलब ये मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया अभी ट्रेलर जब देखा ना, मैंने आई थिंक मैंने टाइप भी किया था वहां पे कि ये जो फ्लाइट वाला सीन है मुझे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा लगा, क्योंकि फ्लाइट में कभी किसी को जाने से रोका नहीं गया आज तक.
वो पहले का है
सर उस
बेटा।
टाइम पे गया था 2010 में श्रीकांत को रोका गया था बिकॉज ही वाज ट्रैवलिंग अलोन. उसको नहीं अलाउ किया था. फिर उसने जो किया उसके बाद सबको अलाउ किया था.
Hello, sir. This is Mukesh from JNU, and I am also doing research on disability discourse in Hindi cinema. And in fact, I watch many movies which is based on disability, especially blindness. And the problem is, I feel the representation of different abled people. And second thing, I realize there's the lack of budget, because when I was talking someone who played role in Sparsh movie, which was come in 1980, which was directed by Sainz Paranjpe. So he was saying that we could not get anything at that time, and in fact, because it was very low budget film. And in 2017, the Kabil movies also came, which was directed by Rakesh Roshan, and Hrithik Roshan played a blind person role in that movie. So he was also post in his social media handle that kindly watch this movie, and it is my career and everything is matlab दांव पे लगा हुआ है मेरा. So इस तरीके से. So do you think also the same, because I mean, do you think believe in sympathy, or do you think believe in empathy also? Because the problem is जो डिसेबल लोगों पर मूवीज बनती हैं वो सोसाइटी तक पहुंच नहीं पाती हैं. तो सोसाइटी का पर्सपेक्टिव कैसे आप चेंज करेंगे इस मूवी से?
आपको क्या लगता है? आपने पिक्चर की प्रोमो देखी? सिंपैथी वाला है, क्या लग रहा है?
हाँ बिल्कुल सही सर. मैंने एज अ क्रिटिक मैं एक्चुअली मूवीज को देखता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं रिसर्च कर रहा
तो
हूँ.
आपने प्रोमो तो देखा होगा, तो आप बताइए आपको क्या लगा?
बिल्कुल मैंने प्रोमो देखा है सर. प्रोमो मैंने देखा है, और प्रोमो में देख करके मुझे अभी उतना कुछ ऐसा क्रिटिक वाला लगा नहीं है, लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम लगी है कि उसका प्रोमो जो है वो साइन लैंग्वेज में नहीं है. और हमें लगता है कि व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग सच एज डिफरेंट मूवी फॉर द डिफरेंट पर्सन और डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव से, तो उसको हमें थोड़ा सा इंक्लूड करने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि जितने भी फिल्म मेकर्स हैं वो एक्सेसिबिलिटी पे इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करते हैं.
मैं आपको आई थिंक आपने सुना नहीं. वी आर डूइंग इट. इट्स इन द फिल्म. वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू दैट.
यस सर, मैंने सुना सर, और मैंने पूरा सुना. आपने इसमें बताया, बट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट योर ट्रेलर व्हिच इज कम ऑन YouTube.
ट्रेलर तो अभी नहीं आ सकता ना. जब ये होगा, ये आएगा तब होगा. हमने जितना हम कर सकते थे. आपने देखा पर ट्रेलर?
नहीं, मैंने ट्रेलर नहीं देखा सर. मैंने जो मूवीज का आपने जो शॉट डाला हुआ है वो देखा है सर.
तो ट्रेलर देखिए ना सर आप.
Yeah, I think the point that he makes is taken on board, but I think the bigger focus and bigger impact of this film would be on the mainstream society of our country.
Yeah,
because
well said, sir.
I think the story of Srikanth and his life journey will open the eyes of a lot of people.
Yes.
And I think that is to be praised and given focus on, because and the fact that it's also going to open the opportunity for blind and visually impaired people to go to theaters and watch the movie with audio description there. I think these are wonderful steps forward. And I'd like to
Exactly.
congratulate you,
I
Tushar.
like to
and-
add, I
I
like to add
also
something
highlight-
into it for that gentleman who asked the question.
Yeah.
Today is 2024. So from 1980 to 2024, there are hardly 1 or 2 movies come up. And because of budget and all, I frankly say that Vijli Challenge or any other disability should not think about budget or something. It is all about you're getting a popularity, and even you're working with them, they're giving you an opportunity. You show your talent, and God is always there to support. And like Tushar sir and all are doing their efforts to work with us. It is not just that they made a film and they left it out, or they left us alone anywhere. My special experience is they were there with us all the time. All the time means all the time till we reach to the hotel or we reach back to our own residence after the shoot. So I again appeal and say to all the Vijli Challenge field that do not just look as an opportunity to earn and make money in the industry. This industry is very beautiful. It is up to you. आप किस नजरिए से इसको देखते हो?
Hi Tushar sir, एक question है. This is Kumar Atul. I'm a lyricist and screenwriter. टैक्स फ्री करने के लिए कुछ बातें हैं क्या? टैक्स फ्री कराएंगे तो आई थिंक पेनिट्रेशन बढ़ेगा मार्केट में.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर. पेनिट्रेशन बढ़ता है जब आपको लोगों को पिक्चर अच्छी लगती है और पिक्चर अच्छी होती है. बाकी कुछ नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं हेल्प कर सकता. आपकी पिक्चर अगर अच्छी और हाँ गवर्नमेंट को लगा अगर ये पिक्चर टैक्स फ्री होना चाहिए तो मिल जाएगा टैक्स फ्री. अगर नहीं मिला तो no problem as long as people come and see it.
Kumar ji, I would like to inform you that India's biggest theatre chain, PVR and Inox, are about to, if you can follow their social media pages, they are about to release some special prizes as discounted rates for this particular movie.
That makes good sense. Thank you.
Yeah, Tushar sir, आप तक एक मैसेज पहुंचाना था. I was at an exhibition in Nehru Center, Worli for last 5 days with Poddar International School. The first day when I went there, the teacher and the admin and the principal just made hi hello with me because I was representing NAB India. And the very next afternoon when I was having lunch with them, just बातें हो रही थी मूवीज को लेकर. तो मैंने कहा मैडम हमारी भी एक मूवी रिलीज हो रही है. उससे पूछा कौन सी? मैंने कहा श्रीकांत. Are you working in that? And after that, for the 4.5 days, I was Rajkumar Rao there.
Enjoy the
So this is
stardom,
the
Charles.
impact. Yes. और ये सब तुषार सर को इसलिए बता रहा हूँ कि जो क्रेज है ना लोगों के बीच में मूवी को लेकर, क्या
देखिए
कहना?
वो क्रेज की बात नहीं है, वो एटीट्यूड चेंज है. बिकॉज आज हमने ऐसी पिक्चर बनाई जो लोगों को लग रहा है कि यार दिल को छुई है. पीपल आर getting moved by it. That gentleman asked me about Kabil, this, that. The important part is that you're moving society. People are looking at you in a different light. People start realizing that this is what we need to, even if we change a few people in the society who see this film and tomorrow just don't think that, this is the blind and have sympathy, but actually give them job opportunities. And that's it. That would be a big change.
Hi, Tushar.
Yes,
Yeah.
This
Am
is
I
Prerna
audible?
Sopti from New Delhi.
Hello, ma'am.
And how are you? You've
Very good,
done a
ma'am. Very
great,
good. How are you?
good, very nice, very nice. First thing you did was you have chosen an amazing person, Charles, a big
Thank you.
fan. Okay, and you have done a good job that you've chosen in the blind community also. You have chosen such a strong topic because, with due respect to the movie Kabil, it did not show the blind community in the good sense. They were shown in the sympathetic manner. The girl was blind, she was raped. You are changing the perspective by showing that yes, a blind person can do a lot.
I just, to be honest, more than lot, that they deserve to live with dignity. That's the whole point. That is my point, that more than lot any person can do. A normal person also might not do a lot. And not.
No. They don't say normal person, a sighted person. We are
Hello?
also normal. Don't
Exactly,
say
that's what
normal person, a sighted person.
I said exactly that what I've been saying. I've been saying this only from the start. That all of us, everyone is normal. It is who we are categorizing this and making them abnormal for no reason. And that's my point. That we all are same. Some people can, if a bird can fly and a rat can't, it doesn't make them make them different. They're both animals, right? So it's okay. Everyone have their own powers.
Absolutely correct. So yes, kudos to you. And Charles, an amazing person who's, I can hear all the glamour and glory that he's bringing, that he's enjoying.
I actually
and
paid
he's
him. I paid him a
creating
lot of
for
money
everyone.
today. I paid him a lot of money before we started this interview.
Sir,
Absolutely.
I
See,
like to
because
say Prapti,
Sorry.
this Prerna Sopti is a lady from Delhi. She is totally blind, and she is working for a community by cosmetic materials for ladies, and I guess, and she is the platform. मैं इनसे भी इंस्पायर हूँ सर, इन लोगों से इंस्पायर हूँ.
सब होना ही चाहिए यार. This is what I'm talking about.
Hello.
Hats off to you, ma'am. Hats off.
yeah,
मेरी
thank you. I'm a late life visually impaired person, so it means a lot what you are doing.
God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. God, thank you so much.
I think
You're
there's another question coming up.
Yeah.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. First of all, congratulations. And some question is, if somebody wants to enter, so
Hello?
what is the for those?
Hello.
मैम,
What?
you are, मैम आप जा रहे हो, आपका नाम बताइए और प्रॉपर नेटवर्क में आके बोलिए.
Audible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. So question is, if somebody wants to, so my name is Bhumika and I am from Maharashtra. If somebody wants to enter in film industry, then what is the for those?
I can't
1
understand.
लाख रुपए का चेक चार्ल्स के नाम पे लिखिए और हमारा ग्रुप ज्वाइन कीजिए. सॉरी सर.
Hello, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा कुछ. क्या बोल रही
No, I think she's asking if
How to
somebody wants to connect with the film industry and be part of it, what would
For,
your
for them, sir. Yes, this is my question.
So there is a lot of things, depends on what you want to do. Acting, editing, direction. There's a lot of departments. So that depends. And then you connect with that kind of department, you connect with the people and you work with them and get experience. That's what everyone does.
Tushar,
Okay,
are you aware of any visually impaired people who are working in the film industry in some capacity or the other?
No, to be honest, no. I don't, sir. I don't.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Hi everyone. I'm Divya Sharma, and first of all, congratulations to Tushar sir. Sir, recently I had an opportunity to interview Mr. Karan Johar, and I spoke to him about inclusion in movies and cinema. And after that, I came across your movie and the way you have come up with Shrikant's story. So I just wanted to congratulate you because at that time they had no answer to this. Apart from Mr. Karan Johar, I spoke to Richa Chadda and so many other directors. Interviewed them, and they had nothing to say in a concrete way. But now, just after this is the thing of last month, 31st March. So now you are coming with this movie, and I can hear that so many persons with disabilities are there whom you have given the chance to play the role. So I'm really happy, and I have been endorsing this movie since I have got to know about this movie. So thank you so much for taking this
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
step
you.
towards
Thank you so much.
inclusion.
You know,
Thank you.
I would really, if everyone really thinks that this is the right movie that we are making, I would really request everyone that, the promo is available. Please pass it on to your WhatsApp groups.
I have,
So more
sir,
and more,
and even I
all
have
everybody
shared it
who's
with
on
some
this
actors.
seminar today,
Hello.
Yeah,
pass
even
it
I
on
have
to your WhatsApp groups.
I have shared it with some of the directors and movie, the actors whom I met recently, like Boman Irani and everybody, and I talked to them about this movie. So I just want, I'm telling them that this is the example I was looking forward to, and now I'm
Thank
just
you, ma'am.
looking forward to watch this movie and share my thoughts
Thank
on
you.
this
Thank you.
afterwards.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Madam, what's your name? We didn't get your name, ma'am.
Georgia, this is Divya Sharma. You know me.
You're from
I've been
Punjab.
associated. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm a
okay.
content manager and recently received President Award for my contribution.
Right.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Congrats.
Thank you.
So,
Thank
Yeah.
you.
There's somebody
guys,
else.
I like to say one more thing. तुषार सर ने जो लास्ट मोमेंट पे एक बॉम्ब डाला है, और वो बॉम्ब है that very original song which touched everyone's heart, कयामत से कयामत तक का. और जब भी मैं गुनगुनाता हूँ, मुझे रिक्शा में हो, बस में हो, ट्रेन में हो, लोग बोलते हैं बड़ा अच्छा गाना है, इसको कोई याद नहीं करता अभी. or your voice is good. So Tushar sir, love you again for this
Hello,
wonderful song.
am I audible?
Yeah, there
Yes,
are more.
yes.
Yeah,
Hello.
go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, we can.
Hello,
Hello,
am
am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are. You are.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Sumit Garg. So
Yeah.
first of all, congratulate and thank you for it is much necessary movie. सर
Thank
मेरी
you.
एक रिक्वेस्ट थी. एक तो सर वीआई कम्युनिटी में तो मूवी बहुत पॉपुलर हो चुकी है, लेकिन मेन स्ट्रीम में अभी भी लोगों तक नहीं पहुंची है. और दूसरा सर कि श्रीकांत सर का मैंने कोई इंटरव्यू नहीं मिला. मैंने फाइंड भी सर्च भी किया, मुझे उनके इंटरव्यूज नहीं मिल रहे हैं. तो अगर उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करके आप इंटरव्यूज भी उनके जैसे कपिल शर्मा वगैरह शो पे ऐसे कुछ शोज पे उनके
नहीं, हम नहीं जा
इंटरव्यूज
रहे
आ
कपिल
सके.
शर्मा शो पे.
नहीं कपिल शर्मा नहीं
इससे
सर, उस टाइप के जिससे कि रियल उनको हम जान पाए और
आप गूगल, आप
पॉपुलर हो पाए.
जाइए, आप यूट्यूब पे जाइए, आपको बहुत इंटरव्यूज मिलेंगे. आप गलत देख रहे, गलत जगह देख रहे. और
हाँ
आपने
नहीं सर
बोला
वो
कि
बिफोर, हाँ सर वो बिफोर मूवी के आफ्टर मूवी के आई वांट.
आफ्टर मूवी के जितने हमने किए वो हार है उनकी.
ओके ओके सर,
हाँ,
थैंक यू सर.
हाँ,
Thank you.
हार हार.
Hello, good evening, sir. Hello,
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Go ahead. One by one. Yeah.
आवाज आ रही है आपको मेरी?
आ रही है.
मेरा नाम अश्विनी कुमार है, मैं लखनऊ से हूँ.
जी बोलिए.
और तुषार सर, आपको बहुत बहुत कंग्रेचुलेसन, आपने मूवी ये बनाई है, बहुत अच्छी मूवी है, कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छा है इसका.
जी थैंक यू.
हेलो. और सर आपसे
जी बोलिए.
रिक्वेस्ट है,
जी बोलिए.
रिक्वेस्ट ये कि आप और बायोपिक बनाइए ब्लाइंड्स पे, मतलब जो भी ब्लाइंड्स हैं और जैसे वो हैं प्रांजल पातिल, उन पे बनाइए मूवी आने वाले टाइम में. ये रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे.
क्या क्या रिक्वेस्ट है, समझा नहीं. आप करेक्ट हो.
नहीं, he's
जो
saying-
प्रथम IAS है
एक मिनट.
प्रांजल पातिल, उन पे मूवी बनाइए, ये रिक्वेस्ट. हेलो.
क्या?
हेलो.
आवाज आ रही?
हेलो.
नहीं, आपकी आवाज
आवाज आ रही है
क्रैक. अश्विनी, आपकी आवाज क्रैक हो रहा है.
सर ही सेज
आवाज
कि फर्स्ट आईएएस ऑफिसर जो है थे हमारे ब्लाइंड कम्युनिटी से, उनके ऊपर एक मूवी बनाई है, ऐसा ही सेज.
ओके ओके.
सर अभी अभी मैंने जो मैं कर सकता था ऑनेस्टली मैंने कर लिया. अभी मैं एक ही जगह से ऐसे ही बनाऊंगा तो दूसरे लोग के लिए क्या कर पाऊंगा. मुझे करना है अपने लिए, मुझे खुद को भी नया नया कुछ करना है. हमेशा एक ही चीज हम करते रहेंगे तो बोर हो जाएंगे. मतलब मैं इस पे कितना बात कर सकूंगा वापस से. तो मेरा ये है कि मैं नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट पकड़ता हूँ जो कुछ कह सकूं मैं वापस से, कुछ नया. तो ये है. तो आई एम वेरी सॉरी, मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं नहीं बना पाऊंगा.
Good evening. Hello.
Yeah,
Am I
good evening.
audible?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, this is Sayantan from Calcutta. Firstly, congratulations for this movie. And
Thank you.
भाई गजब, दोनों बात कर रहे हैं यार. वो राजकुमार राव और तुषार भी दोनों बात कर रहे हैं.
Guys, please understand the importance of this interview and be in a network, and then only you can continue.
Yeah,
Sir.
I think Sayantan, go ahead and ask your question. Sayantan.
Hello, sir.
हाँ.
Hello, sir. This is Rohit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
Rohit, continue.
Rohit, yeah, go
Okay.
ahead.
Sir, first of all, I am feeling goosebumps while hearing you all. And first of all, I would like to big thanks to the Dipti ma'am who made a revolutionary change in our community by making the Nova Flix. बिकॉज एक्चुअली हम पहले क्या होता था कि हम घर वालों के साथ मूवी देखते थे तो कोई ऐसा सीन आता था जिसमें वो ऐसे कुछ फनी सीन होते थे तो हम उसको फील नहीं कर पाते थे. तो वो हंसते थे तो हमें ऑकवर्डली हंसना पड़ता था ताकि उन्हें कुछ ऐसा फील ना हो. बट नाउ आई कैन डिफाइन एवरी सीन ऑफ KGF because I watched it on Nova Flix. So this was a great innovation. And talking about you, sir, Tushar sir, I also congratulate to you that आपने इतना अच्छा काम किया. और
Thank you.
and sir, मैं ये भी कमिटमेंट किया है, मैंने अपने जो भी फ्रेंड्स सर्कल है उसमें बोला है कि ओके कम ऑन गाइस, वी हैव टू मेड another revolutionary change by watching this movie in theater with
Thank you.
Excel Cinema.
Thank you.
And we are waiting for the 10th of May.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Rohit.
And I must
Hello.
also
Yes.
add
Yeah.
one thing. Okay.
हेलो
Yeah,
सर
yeah, go
Yeah.
ahead.
मैं हेमंत बात कर रहा हूँ सर नमस्ते
जी बोलिए।
जी
हेमंत,
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं हेमंत?
जी मैं सूरत गुजरात से बात कर रहा हूँ सेतु लाइब्रेरी एंड ट्रेनिंग सेंटर फॉर वीआई से
हाँ बोलिए।
जी सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तुषार सर मैनी मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बहुत मतलब मजा आने वाला है इस मूवी में
Thank
आपने
you.
जो प्रयास किया है हमारे लिए वो सराहनीय है सर
Thank you,
और
sir.
सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि हम लोग मतलब अभी ये इस श्रीकांत मूवी के लिए एनकरेज कर रहे हैं हमारे ब्लाइंड कैंडिडेट्स के लिए राजहंस थिएटर ने एक शो स्पेशली अरेंज किया है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
और हम एक्चुअली मैं जो काम कर रहा हूँ वो गुजरात भर के जो स्टूडेंट्स है कॉलेज के इसके रिगार्डिंग की लाइब्रेरी है हमारे पास और
जी
वॉलेंटियर्स जो है 140 समथिंग राउंड अबाउट ऑल ओवर इंडिया और इंडिया के बाहर से तो
जी
वो लोग भी मूवी देखने के लिए जा रहे हैं सर
थैंक यू
तो
सर।
साइटेड लोग में भी बहुत ही मतलब इस मूवी के लिए एक्साइटेड है सर मुझे ये जानना था कि एक करीबन 40 लोग ब्लाइंड कैंडिडेट्स को आपने लिया है तो क्या इस ब्लाइंड में मतलब श्रीकांत सर भी शामिल है क्या
नहीं मतलब
बल्कि
श्रीकांत सर तो नहीं है, मतलब श्रीकांत सर ने भी एक्टिंग किया है, पर इसमें मतलब श्रीकांत का मैंने ऐसा स्पेशल ऐसा रोल ऐसा ही डाल दिया, मुझे मजा आता है, पर उसको श्रीकांत श्रीकांत नहीं बताया, इसको एक इन्वेस्टर की तरह बताया।
अच्छा 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 मतलब ओरिजिनल श्रीकांत जी भी देखने को मिलेंगे इसके अंदर
मिलेंगे आपको, श्रीकांत भी देखने मिलेगा, रवि भी देखने मिलेगा।
गुड इवनिंग सर,
जी जी
तुषार सर। मैं
जी
पीयूष बोल रहा हूँ हिमाचल प्रदेश से। सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है, एक डायरेक्टर जब मूवी बनाता है तो मतलब पैसे के लिए बनाता है, पॉपुलैरिटी के लिए बनाता है, तो मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे सीधा है कि आपने इस टॉपिक पे जो मूवी बनाई वो क्या सोच के बनाई, क्या आपके दिमाग में चल रहा था, किस स्क्रिप्ट जब आपने पढ़ी तो कैसा आपको लगा, थोड़ा उस विषय पे भी सर थोड़ा गौर
मैंने
फरमाएं।
स्क्रिप्ट नहीं पढ़ा सर, मैं श्रीकांत को मैंने पहली पिक्चर भी अगर आप देखोगे तो 2 दादियों के बारे में बनाई। मुझे
यस
ऐसी
सर।
कहानियां जो इंस्पिरेशनल है बहुत पसंद आती है। मेरे पास कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं था, मैंने दादियों को मिला फिर स्क्रिप्ट लिखा। सिमिलरली मैं श्रीकांत को पहले मिला और फिर स्क्रिप्ट लिखा। तो मैं को बहुत मजा आता है ऐसी कहानियां बनाने और बताने में।
यस सर।
फिर वो तो भगवान के हाथ में कितना चले नहीं चले, ऑफ कोर्स मुझे चाहिए कि चले ताकि मुझे और अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले और मैं बेटर कहानियां इससे बना सकूं और बना सकूं।
नहीं नहीं सर
चलना
डेफिनेटली ये
तो
चलने
बहुत
वाला ही है
इम्पोर्टेंट है।
डेफिनेटली चलने वाला है सर कोई इश्यू नहीं
थैंक यू सर।
और
थैंक यू।
सर मेरा एक और क्वेश्चन है कि इससे पहले आपने जो डिसेबिलिटीज पे मूवीज हैं वो कौन कौन सी देखी थी जिससे कि मतलब आप थोड़ा सा आपको आसानी हुई मूवी बनाने में, तो थोड़ा इस पर भी
कुछ
बताएंगे।
नहीं, मैंने स्पानिश बहुत टाइम पहले देखी थी। लाइक आई सेड, मैंने मेरे डैड की वजह से आई हैव सीन, मैंने खुद रियल लाइफ में इतने सब इनको देखा है, तो मेरे को इट्स इम्बेडेड इन माय सिस्टम। तो मैंने इनको पर्सनली खुद मैंने इनको देखा करीबी से, तो इट इज
क्योंकि
मोर
हमारी इंडस्ट्री ने भी सर बर्फी जैसी मूवी बहुत जबरदस्त थी है सर।
जी जी बहुत बढ़िया थी, मेरी वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट पिक्चर्स है।
बिल्कुल सर, थैंक यू सर।
हेलो सर।
तुषार
जी
जी
हेलो।
हाँ
मैं
जी सर, सबसे
यूएसए
पहले
से
तो मैं मेरा नाम
हेलो
श्याम।
जी बोलिए।
Hello, sir.
हाँ
यस
हाँ हाँ
Hello, sir. My name is Priya.
हाय
Hello, am I
प्रिया,
audible?
जॉर्ज आई कैन गिव यू ओनली 5 minutes more because I have to enter my meeting now.
right okay Priya, where are you calling from and what's your question?
Yeah, sir. I am from Rajasthan, and firstly, I would like to congratulations to your entire team, Rajkumar sir. I am as Tushar sir as well. I am very huge fan of Rajkumar sir, and I will definitely watch this movie. And
Thank you, ma'am.
Shrikant sir, this is absolutely he inspired us,
एक मिनट
and
रुक जा।
हाँ
तुषार जी, मैं यूएसए से बोल रहा हूँ, वॉशिंगटन डीसी से।
हेलो
राजीव शाह।
Yes, Rajiv.
राजीव शाह।
हेलो हेलो
तो जो माहौल आपने पैदा किया है सोशल चेंज के लिए, इट्स वेरी इम्प्रेसिव ऑनेस्टली,
Thank you,
क्योंकि इंडिया में और इंडियन फिल्में, हमारी जो देसी फिल्में हैं, इनमें से वो ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन है ना, वो बहुत कम होता है।
अभी
And-
कर रहे सर, वो जो देखिए हमारे साथ है मैडम। बोलिए दीप्ति जी, हेलो बोलिए।
हाँ,
Hi,
Nova
Rajiv
Flix।
ji. Rajiv ji,
Hello.
you can use
हाँ।
Excel Cinema internationally also. Globally, जहाँ जहाँ श्रीकांत मूवी रिलीज होगी, वहाँ वहाँ Excel Cinema आपको ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन देगा। आप साइटेज के बीचों बीच बैठ के मूवी को एक्सेसिबल तरीके से एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। And this is the new era of Indian film industry. This is the new normal for the future films that are coming. That accessible formats will also be available.
और नोवा फ्लिक्स को आपको उधर यूएसए में भी ये करना चाहिए, हमारे यहाँ,
वन स्टेप
क्योंकि
एट अ
राइट्स का
टाइम,
प्रॉब्लम है
वन
ना।
स्टेप एट अ
हाँ,
टाइम। पहले इंडिया मार्केट
हाँ,
केटर कर लूं, फिर आई बी रेडी।
हाँ।
अदरवाइज इतना काम नहीं संभाल पाऊंगी, इस वजह से इट्स करंटली ओनली अवेलेबल फॉर इंडिया।
Yeah, now
And
we'll just
Tushar ji, what are your future plans?
Nothing. I made this. Now I'm waiting for my release, and then we'll see what to do next.
I request everybody to pray
Hello.
to their God today that this movie may be a great success and government think about it and the tax free part. आज सभी से मैं एक ही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, सब लोग आज से 10 तारीख तक
so
without fail will pray to a God that
Yeah.
Tushar sir gets a great success in this movie.
हेलो
right now we'll just
तुषार
one sec.
सर, क्विक क्वेश्चन, स्क्रीन
One
पे और
sec.
डायलॉग्स भी
हेलो
आप ही
हेलो
लिख रहे हैं सर?
हेलो
One sec. Let's take just two
Hello.
more questions. Let's take just
Yeah,
two more
yeah.
questions since Tushar has to leave. He's got a
Yeah.
meeting to attend. So let us take two quick questions. Preferably somebody who's not spoken already.
हाँ, श्याम आप बोल दीजिए।
Sham बोलिए।
श्याम आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
यस मैम, सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सभी को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा कि आप लोगों ने इतना बढ़िया इनिशिएटिव लिया। और मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं आप राजकुमार सर से या तुषार सर से बात कर पाऊँगा। ये एक तरीके से मेरा ड्रीम था और ये दीप्ति मैम और आईवे की हो पाया है। और मैं नोवा फ्लिक्स बहुत दिनों से यूज़ कर रहा हूँ और इस मूवी का मैंने ट्रेलर देखा तो इसमें ब्लाइंड्स को लाइक बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ब्लाइंड की रियलिटी जो दिखाई गई है, क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से ब्लाइंड को स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है वो दिखाया गया है। ब्लाइंड जब क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, बॉल्स की आवाज़ आई है। और क्योंकि मैंने 2-3 एक सीरियल से पहले आपकी नज़रों ने समझा, उसमें भी एक ब्लाइंड था, बट उसे लाइक इंडियन ब्लाइंड जो होते हैं उनकी तरह नहीं दिखाया गया था। उसे लाइक बिल्कुल एक्सेसिबल वे में दिखाया, मतलब उनकी जो कंटेंट था उनके अंदर जो वो था वो एक्सेसिबल तरीके से दिखाया गया था, बट इसमें ब्लाइंड की जो रियल स्ट्रगल है वो दिखाया गया। तो मैम सर आप लोगों को इसके लिए बहुत बढ़िया कांग्रेचुलेशन और थैंक यू मैम।
Thanक यू श्याम। One last question.
नहीं तो तुम्हारा कोई प्लान तो नहीं है अभी?
नहीं, मेरा ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं है।
ना सर, मेरा मतलब तुषार सर तो जा चुके हैं, लेकिन चार्ल्स सर से है।
So one last
हेमंत
question.
जी, तो शाल सर इधर ही हैं, वो आपकी बात सुन रहे हैं।
जी बोलिए। जी
हेलो
बोलिए।
मैम।
हाँ बोलिए।
हेलो सर।
जी बोलिए।
जी मेरा नाम विशाल है एंड मैं हिमाचल से बात कर रहा हूँ एंड डेफिनेटली मेरा भी टेक्नोलॉजी में काम है, एक्सेसिबिलिटी में काम है। तो सबसे पहले तुषार सर की पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद कि आपने ऐसी
Thank you.
मूवी बनाई। मैं चाहता हूँ सर कि एक एक्सेसिबिलिटी के ऊपर भी मूवी बने, बिकॉज एक्सेसिबिलिटी के बारे में गवर्नमेंट्स को इतना ज्यादा नहीं पता, लोगों को इतना ज्यादा नहीं पता, बहुत सारी एक्सेसिबल चीजें नहीं है, तो उसको अवेयरनेस फैलाने के लिए भी एक मूवी बननी चाहिए। मेरा एक फीडबैक है। और दूसरा ये है कि जैसे 40 से ऊपर ब्लाइंड थे, तो सर ब्लाइंड्स के लिए किन किन जैसे कि शूटिंग के टाइम पे कौन कौन से प्रॉब्लम्स का सामना थोड़ा करना पड़ा या किस तरह का, तो सर इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं जानना चाहता हूँ।
Can you repeat the last question again?
Tushar ji, you are on mute.
हेलो सर, यस सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि जैसे ब्लाइंड लोग हैं तो उनको किन किन जैसे कि शूटिंग के टाइम पे प्रॉब्लम्स आती है ना, किस किस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स आई और किस तरह से सपोर्ट उनको मिला, या ये सब के बारे में मैं जानना चाहता था एक्चुअली।
एक्चुअली चार्ल्स से पूछिए, क्योंकि
हाँ,
वो तो
सर।
है इधर, वो तो शूटिंग कर रहा था। वो आपको
चार्ल्स सर
बताएगा, मैं
बिल्कुल
कैसे बताऊं?
हाँ
जी
तो
जी जी
दोस्तों सबसे पहले ना मैं अगेन आयल से आप जितने दिल से तारीफ करोगे, जितने दिल से दुआ मांगोगे ना, ये पिक्चर उतनी हिट होने वाली है। क्योंकि तुषार सर ने जो भी काम किया है ना इसमें हमें लेकर, बॉस मैं आउट, हम ऐसे नहीं कि जो मूवी में एक्ट कर रहे हैं उन्होंने ही, बिहाइंड द स्क्रीन भी बहुत लोगों ने इसमें मेहनत की है। और हमारे सभी 40-45 बच्चे जब भी फैक्ट्री में होते थे, कहीं होते थे ना, तो इनके टीम ने ना हम सभी बच्चों का एक तरीके से और एक ही तरह से ख्याल रखा है। खाने से लेकर हमारे बैठने सोने से लेकर धूप से छांव में बैठने तक, इवन टेकिंग अ शो, इन्होंने अपनी वैन 80 तक यूज करने दी है वॉशरूम के लिए। ऐसे नहीं कहा कि ही जस्ट एन स्मॉल एक्टर तो इसको वहां वॉशरूम के लिए यहाँ भेजो वहां भेजो। दिस शोज द एफर्ट्स ऑफ दिस टीम। दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑलवेज टेल तुषार सर लव यू, बिकॉज आप लोग सोचिए, आपको अगर कोई 100 सवाल पूछता है तो आप कितने इरिटेट होते हो। तुषार सर को मैं देख रहा था मूवी के दौरान भी लोग अपने बच्चे जाकर इनसे ऑटोग्राफ मांगते थे, राजकुमार सर से, इनसे। हमने किस तरीके से लोगों को हैंडल किया है हम जानते हैं, और बाकी सभी बच्चों ने भी उसी तरह से साथ दिया है। और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ पॉसिबल है क्योंकि भगवान ने तुषार सर के माइंड में हमारी सोच डाली है। और आप सभी के जो क्वेश्चन है आगे चलकर कम्युनिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना, तो इसके लिए आप सबको, दीप्ति मैडम को भी सपोर्ट करना है। और अपनी कम्युनिटी में आज आप सब लोग कसम खाओ कि आप एटलीस्ट 10 लोगों को इस मूवी के बारे में डेफिनेटली बताओगे, उन लोगों को जो नहीं जानते। क्या कर पाओगे आप सब ये आज से?
जी डेफिनेटली सर, मैं तो
बिल्कुल।
जब देखने जाऊंगा या उससे पहले भी मैं वीडियो बनाता हूँ तो बिल्कुल
यस सर, हम
मैं सुपर
डेफिनेटली
वीडियो
कर
बनाकर
पाएंगे।
बताऊंगा बिल्कुल।
तुषार सर
बिल्कुल
ये आपके
सर
लिए
हमारा
डेब्यूट है
यूट्यूब
हमारी
चैनल
तरफ
भी है
से।
तो हम उस पे भी इसके बारे
यस
में जरूर, और
यस
मैंने
देखो तुषार सर, हमारी आवाज देखो, आपके लिए दुआ कर रहे हैं हम, और कयामत से
थैंक
कयामत
यू
तक
सर,
का सॉन्ग
थैंक यू,
डालने तो
थैंक
आपने हिट
Yeah.
ही कर दिया इसको सर।
Guys,
मजा आ
Okay,
गया।
okay.
everyone who is visually impaired, आपके लिए ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन वाला ट्रेलर रिलीज कर चुके हैं टी सीरीज।
यस
आप उसी
प्लीज देखिए
ट्रेलर को
आप।
रीशेयर कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में बताइए, ताकि ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन ट्रेलर से उनको क्लियरिटी मिले कि पिक्चर में किस तरह से एक्सेसिबल
यस
फॉर्मेट
यस
में भी मिलेगी उनको।
यहाँ पे है ना, जितना तुषार सर ने सोचा है ना, आज तक किसी ने नहीं सोचा हम लोगों के बारे में, मैं ये विद बेट कह सकता हूँ।
ऐसा
एंड
कुछ
अगेन,
नहीं है,
नहीं सर,
मैंने
सर
कुछ
सर
नहीं,
आई एम
मैंने ऐसा
टेलिंग
कुछ नहीं सोचा चार्ल्स। मैंने खाली, मुझे था कि मुझे एक अच्छी पिक्चर बनानी है। आज
यस
भूषण जी ने ये सब, आज भूषण जी, निधि जो मेरी प्रोड्यूसर्स है, वो
या
दे आर गोइंग ऑल आउट टू मेक इट एक्सेसिबल टू एवरीबॉडी, सो
यस
दैट्स व्हाट इट इज।
या
Yeah,
एंड वन
okay.
मोर पॉइंट टू ऐड,
Yeah.
जब मूवी का मुहूर्त हो रहा था, मुहूर्त नहीं, व्हाट यू कॉल दैट सर, गुड़ी पाड़वा के दिन था हमारा प्रमोशन। तो प्रमोशन के दौरान थिएटर
ट्रेलर
पूरा
लॉन्च।
कचाकच भरा सा मीडिया हाउस से, और इतने लोगों के बीच होने के बावजूद पे तुषार सर ने हम लोगों का नाम लेकर हम लोग को स्टेज पे बुलाया। इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग। और जितना इन्होंने किया है ना, इसके लिए हमें इनके लिए दुआएं करनी है बस, और कुछ नहीं।
Yes, yes. So nice
So
of
I
you.
think,
Thank
yeah,
you.
so I think all good things have to come to an end. I
Yes.
like to thank Tushar Nandani for actually making the time to come and answer these questions and share his thoughts about the film. Charles, I'd like to
Yes,
thank
sir.
you for
Thank
giving the time. And Deepti, thank you very much for all the work that you do, and also being part of this project. And on behalf of iWay, we'd like to thank all of you. And if you guys in future, we run a helpline, and if you need help, information regarding life with blindness, feel free to call us. Our number is 1-800-5320-469. And Tushar, you would have realized that people from right across India have been part of the show. We had people from Bangalore, Chennai, Calcutta, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, USA.
वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर, एक
हम
लास्ट
नागपुर
सवाल
से भी
है
है सर।
राजकुमार
नागपुर
आपसे।
महाराष्ट्र।
1 मिनट, आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन टू जॉर्ज सर। सबसे सवाल पूछा आपसे, एक सवाल है, आपने बहुत से शोज ऐसे किए होंगे, हाउ वाज दिस एक्सपीरियंस विद योर बेटर एक्सपीरियंस इन बिफोर?
No, I think this was a wonderful experience. I think that there's a lot of interest, and I think every person who's come here today will go back, and as you requested, वो लोग 10 लोगों को बोलेंगे, 10 से ज्यादा लोगों को भी बोलेंगे, हम भी इसका प्रचार करेंगे। And when the movie is out on the 10th, we will inform at least 15,000 people who are on our WhatsApp
Yeah.
groups. We will inform them that this movie is around, and we as an office team are going to go and watch the movie on the 17th of May.
Oh, very nice.
Yep. So
please share with everybody the trailer video that they can
Sure.
put up on the status, WhatsApp and Insta channel.
Sure. So thank you, Tushar, for spending the time with us.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everybody. Thank you, Tushar sir.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations
और
sir. उम्मीद है हमें
Thank
बाद
you.
में आपसे बात करने का एक और बार मौका
Congratulations,
मिलेगा.
sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tushar sir. It was pleasure meeting you again and chatting
Sure.
with you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Charles.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, George sir. And I hope next time आप मेरे को बुलाएं तो हम Zoom meeting पे नहीं होंगे, बल्कि Zoom का जो bigger version है,
हाँ,
के ऊपर where we can have larger audience.
sure,
Yes,
sure.
yes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much,
Okay.
George sir, once again for giving us this opportunity.
And
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Tushar sir. Thank you, everybody.